you are new to my channel, please like and subscribe. Ako po si Ken, the Flying Adobo, who loves to travel, who loves food, and loves sharing it with you. Isa din po akong cabin crew who would like to inspire future cabin crew like you. Kaya po join me on this channel, hit the notification button para po lagi kayong updated sa ating mga ganap sa channel ito. Maraming salamat po. Hello guys, so today we're gonna talk about what are the perks of us cabin crew whenever we are on a layover from different countries when we are staying in a hotel. So guys, so different destinations, different hotels, different perks, nagva-vary po yan depende sa contract ng airline sa the certain destination or the hotel that we stay in. Here are the general perks of a cabin crew whenever they're staying on a destination on a layover in a certain hotel. First po, usually you have a free shuttle ride from the airport to the hotel or to and from the hotel to the airport. And usually some hotels, they give you a free shuttle ride to the main city. At times our hotels are far away from the main city, so we get a free shuttle ride to the city center and to the shopping malls nearby. And also guys, I'm sure it's very important for you, we also get free Wi-Fi for the whole duration of the stay wherever hotel we stay in. So we get connected to our loved ones back home. So at times whenever you're coming from an ultra long haul or long haul flight, more than 12 hours, minsan tinatamad ka na lumabas, there's always options to dine. So the hotel usually they have restaurants, wherein for cabin crew they have special rates from 15% to 20%, 50% to 45% discount. It depends on the destination. And also guys, at times we get lucky, we have free breakfast in different destination. If not, there's no free breakfast. There's also a special rate for breakfast. Full breakfast buffet, usually they give you 15% or 25% or 30% discount. Usually pag sa Europe flights, it ranges from 7 euros to 15 euros lang for the full complimentary breakfast. Siyempre, as cabin crew guys, you need also to exercise. Different hotels also has their own fitness center or gym, so we get free access to the gym and the sauna and the swimming pool, depende sa hotel that we stay in. And also my adobo friends, don't you know that in each every hotel usually their contract with the airline, they give us a crew lounge. A crew lounge is basically shared for different crews na nagstay sa same hotel. So this crew lounge has their microwave, a kettle, usually they have a coffee maker, a place to lounge. There's a computer wherein you can check your emails, and you can also dine and at least connect with your colleagues after the flight. And also if you're feeling hungry in an early morning or after you wake up from sleep, usually medyo different ang pattern ng sleep ng cabin crew. So when we wake up at 2 a.m. and 3 a.m., we need to eat something. So usually they have a special menu for late night snacks for cabin crew. Okay guys, so those are the typical perks of a cabin crew whenever we are staying on a layover on a destination in a hotel. And please continue to watch this video as I go on a layover in Sydney in Australia. Hello guys, welcome back. If you are new to my channel, please like and subscribe. Nandito po tayo ngayon sa Sydney in Australia. It's about 5 p.m. now. So we arrived here about 7:30 a.m. So the flight was about 13 hours. It was too long, so I had a good rest. But now I need to go for a workout na madali lang. Then we'll go out for dinner and go to the supermarket. Ayan guys, I'm back in my room after 40 minutes of workout. So, magpapahinga muna ako. We'll take a little bit of rest. Then, we're going out for dinner. Okay guys, so it's 7 p.m. here now in Sydney. I just finished taking a shower and now we're ready to go out for dinner. Tara! Cross streets. For dinner, I found this Asian restaurant called Baba House. So okay guys, so I found this Asian restaurant. So it's Baba House. So basically it's a mix of Thai, Malaysian, Chinese restaurant. So I have this braised beef with black beans and stir-fried vegetables. Let me try. This is the beef. Soft and tender. After dinner, I went to Coles for some grocery shopping. Okay guys, so I'm back in my room after dinner and some grocery shopping. Now it's time to relax before I go to sleep with my Australian wine and of course partnered with my Aussie cheese, and I'll see you tomorrow. Good morning guys, it's 7 a.m. here in Sydney. I just woke up. I am ready now to go down for breakfast. There's a discount breakfast for cabin crew. It's 15 Australian dollars, so it's about 10 US dollars or about 510 pesos I think. So tara! After breakfast, I went back to my room to prepare for my wake-up call. Here is an example of what we usually get staying on a layover in a hotel as a cabin crew. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe and see you in my next videos. Salamat po.